welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can simply send emails to your Justdial leads instantly without doing it all manually. So here on my screen you can see my Justdial account, and here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Justdial, then instantly I want to send a personalized email to my lead via Gmail. So now here to automate the entire process, I'm going to connect my Justdial with my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free. Get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then here for the workflow builder, you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we're going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So here for the workflow name, I'm going to give the name as automatically send emails to new Justdial leads. And for the folder, we are going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, we are going to select our folder as automations. You can select it accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Justdial, as I'm receiving new leads through Justdial. Then for the app event, I'm going to select new leads, and then you're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Justdial with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it on a Justdial account. Reach out to your account manager from Justdial. Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your Justdial point of contact or the backend team. So basically, you need to copy this webhook URL and you need to send this URL to the backend team of your Justdial account, because only they can set up the webhook inside your Justdial account. Once they are going to set up the webhook URL, you are going to receive all your leads inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so for now I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive a dummy lead details over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the last name, first name, email and the contact number. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Justdial, then instantly I want to send a personalized welcome email to my lead via Gmail. So for that, we are going to add action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail and my app event as sent email. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So for the sender name, I'm going to give my business name, that is Homey Interiors, as I am the owner of an interior business. Alright, so this is my sender name. Here you can see a sender email address has already been updated, so we are not going to change it. And for the recipient email addresses, I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So now here, instead of entering the recipient email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Justdial, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address, and then here the CCA, PCC and reply to are not required fields, so we're going to leave them blank. Here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as welcome to Homey Interiors, let's create something beautiful. So this is our email subject, and here I've entered the email subject manually because it is going to remain same for all the emails. Alright, then here's asking for the email content. So it says enter the email content. You can create HTML content from here. Here's a complete tutorial on how to create HTML here. Alright, so here basically you can create an HTML email, and to learn how to create an HTML email, you can click on this hyperlink available over here, and it is going to direct you to a tutorial video to how to create an HTML email for your own business. Alright, so basically HTML emails allows us to send engaging and attractive emails to all our leads or customers. So here I've already generated my email content, and I'm going to add it the same over here in this field. Alright, so this is my email content, and here I've mapped my lead's first name in the place of this first name value, and this is the email content that I have generated in an HTML format. So now here for the email content type, I'm going to select HTML only, and then here these fields are not required fields, so we're going to leave them blank. Now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a personalized email to our lead via Gmail. So now let's go and check our lead's Gmail account to check the mail that we have sent to our lead. So let me take you to my lead's Gmail account. So this is my lead's Gmail account, and this is the mail that our lead has received with the email subject, and here you can see a personalized mail that we have sent to our lead that says hi dummy, and this is the entire mail that we have sent to our lead. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up the entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Justdial and our action as Gmail, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Justdial, then instantly a personalized mail will be sent to our lead via Gmail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically send emails to new Justdial leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.